Hey, what's up, everybody? This is my monster truck, HPI Savage XL. It's an old truck, but I had it running. The engine is being fixed. I have it at the shop right now. Hopefully, I'll get it fixed. One of the bearings got messed up, so I gotta change it. There's the remote control. I recently had changed some little parts, but there was something else wrong with it, so I'm trying to fix it. I also hooked up this little grave digger shell. Yeah, so while this one's getting fixed, I got myself a HPI Savage X4 4.6 off the box. Shit's tight. I'm also gonna install a wheelie bar. I got the fuel. I got some parts. I'm about to open it, see what they are, see what's up. The remote control is badass, way better than the old one. And I also got a cover, grave digger cover for it, cause I don't like that pink shit. See, this shit got pink. I don't like that shit, so see if I can install a grave digger on it. See how it works out. There we go. Like I said, hopefully I'll get this one working again. There goes for my collection.